Alrighty, YouTubers, we got a big old box right over there. We're about to get into it, but it's too big to fit on the table, so definitely check them out. Links are going to be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Thursday. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Like I said, links will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. We'll get this to you in no time. Here comes the scissors. I'm gonna hop over there. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the BUZIO weighted blanket. You guys can check them out. I'll have the links down below. You guys could choose the different sizes they have. For kids, you might want to get the not so heavy one, but this is the 20 pounder. So definitely take a look at these sizes, and they do have different colors. So we'll see which one this one is, and right about now. Alright, we are rolling. Open this up. There we go. I got this packed good. Uh-oh. There. Almost there, guys. There we go. Ooh la la. I see it already. Oh, yes indeed. I'll show you guys how it looks on my couch. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah. I got the big 20 pounder. Wow. Wowie wowie. Alrighty. Put that mess over there. And here we go. Oh jeez. Ah. There goes everything. Look at that. Boom. Here we go. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to open it up, lay it out, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, since winter is coming, we have this blanket right here. Super soft. So soft. Amazingly soft. Heavy, too. And it's winter coming. You guys could relax on your chair, your couch, watch your favorite sports event, your favorite binging show on Netflix or Hulu, Amazon Prime also. But look at this bad boy. Oh boy. Really crazy. Look at that. Oh man. Feels like a sheep. Bah. Look at that. Alright, we're definitely testing this out on this video. Look at this. Big old blanket. Amazing. It's long too. So you'll stay warm. Wow. It's like so soft. Uh-oh. Alright, YouTubers. Hold on. I'm going to do this reverse. Probably gonna take a little nap, but I gotta put out the candle. But yeah, this is amazing. Check out the material. Really nice made. Well stitched right here. Them inside. That is crazy. Oh yeah, we're testing it out. So I'm gonna do a flip. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. Got it all laid out. Gonna take a nap right here. Oh yeah. This is perfect. I'm ready to take a nap now. Look at this. All the way down. There we go. Good night. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the BUZIO weighted blanket. This is my bedroom right now. A lot better lighting. So this is what it looks like on a bed, but you can use it on a couch, your office, wherever makes you feel comfortable to take a little nap, or if you're feeling a little anxious, because this is amazing. Look at the quality. Well done. Like I said, when I was doing the video earlier, I took a nap right away as soon as I got done with the video, and I was out cold, and definitely really comfortable to sleep in. Super soft, really super soft. I don't know what kind of materials, but like I said, really comfy. So definitely, YouTubers, add this to your Amazon wish list. Get one for yourself, family member, especially for the holiday season. Depends on where you are, how cold it gets. This will definitely keep you warm. Nice color too, but they got like a tan and a blue one, I do believe. That's just my comforter set right there. But really nice, really heavy, and like I said, they got other sizes, other weights. So really cool. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.